Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited to talk about something I've been testing behind the scenes, something that could completely change how you approach affiliate marketing in 2025 and beyond. If you've ever wanted to build a passive income online, run your own affiliate agency, or just create affiliate websites without spending hours writing, designing, or worrying about traffic, this is going to be a game changer for you. So, let's dive into something called Affiliate Real AI. This is not just another tool that promises the world and delivers a dashboard full of confusion. Affiliate Real AI is actually an intelligent, done-for-you platform that lets you build entire affiliate sites and campaigns with just a few clicks. I know that sounds like a big claim, but after using it myself, I can tell you it's more than just hype. This AI platform creates mini affiliate websites, writes your reviews, creates bonus pages, and even handles your traffic using a built-in traffic engine. And when I say built-in traffic, I'm talking about real strategies integrated right inside the platform. Social sharing, video syndication, lead capture systems, and more. Everything's designed to help you drive actual buyers to your offers, without having to rely on ads or create content yourself. The best part is that you don't need to know anything about affiliate marketing, website design, or even copywriting. Affiliate Real AI takes care of all of it. I know a lot of people are just getting started. Maybe you're not sure where to begin, or you've tried before and got overwhelmed. This is the kind of tool that strips away all the tech headaches and gives you a shortcut to launching your own affiliate business. Now, what makes the Affiliate Real AI bundle really powerful is that it's not just the base software. The bundle includes absolutely everything you could ever need to run a full-fledged affiliate business or even your own agency. You're getting the premium version of the software, but also unlimited access, professional features, a full agency white label license, VIP coaching, and even tools like Player Neo's Influencers AI bundled in. There are no limitations. You can build unlimited campaigns, unlimited sites, and take on unlimited clients. The professional upgrade adds multilingual content options, automated bonus delivery, white label branding, and more ways to monetize. And the agency package lets you actually rebrand the platform as your own, create sub-accounts, and sell affiliate site creation as a service to clients. This is perfect if you're looking to start an agency or offer done-for-you marketing services. And if that wasn't enough, you're also getting access to private coaching calls with seven-figure affiliate marketers, monthly strategy sessions, and premium support. That kind of mentorship alone is worth way more than the cost of this bundle. The team behind this really wants you to succeed, and it shows. Let's talk about the bonuses because they're not some filler material. You're getting done-for-you Fiverr and Upwork gig templates so you can start selling services immediately. You're getting legal contracts vetted by attorneys to help you work with clients professionally. There's a massive graphics kit with intros, outros, presentations, business cards, and more. Everything to make your brand look polished and credible. They're even throwing in up to $1,000 in free ad credits from platforms like Facebook, Google, and Twitter. That alone can help you start running paid traffic without dipping into your own pocket. Plus, you'll learn how to use AI to create logos, branding materials, and high-end visuals for your agency. One of my favorite parts of this bundle is the set of done-for-you affiliate review scripts and ad templates. You get over 100 Facebook ad copies and 50 affiliate review templates ready to go. You can just plug them into your site, customize them slightly, and hit publish. That alone can save you weeks of content creation time. Look, the truth is most people never reach their full potential in affiliate marketing because they're stuck trying to piece things together. They buy one tool here, another software there, and spend more time learning than doing. With Affiliate Real AI bundle, you don't need to worry about any of that. You get everything under one roof, and it's all built to work together. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start something online, this might be it. You don't have to be an expert. You don't need a big budget, and you don't need months to figure it all out. Affiliate Real AI gives you the system, the tools, the content, and the support you need to build a real business starting today. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have about Affiliate Real AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.